Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through several solutions to fix the frustrating issue with SteamVR Error 451 when you're trying to use your Meta Quest 2 or Quest 3. So the process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first, let's check a simple but very common culprit, your PC's network profile. Sometimes Windows can be a bit too protective on a public network, which can interfere with your Steam link. Here's what you do. You simply go to your Windows search bar and search for Settings. Now, inside the Settings menu, simply click on Network and Internet. And over here, simply find whatever internet you are using. For example, if you're using the internet through Wi-Fi, click on Wi-Fi. And if you're using a cable connection, choose Ethernet. In my case, I'm using a cable connection, so I'll choose the second option. And then once you click on that, right at the top, you will see your network profile, which you can see right over here. And if it is set to public, you need to change it. Simply select Private Network right over here. This tells Windows to trust the devices on your local network a bit more, which is exactly what we need for VR streaming. Now, after making this particular change, restart your PC completely and try running SteamVR again. For many people, this simple fix solves the problem right away. Now, if that doesn't do the trick, our next step is to tweak a specific graphics setting in Windows that can sometimes cause the issue. So simply again, go to your Windows settings and this time simply click on System. And in System, simply go to the Display options. Now in the Display section, simply look for the Graphics option, which should be at the very bottom right over here. Click on it. Now over here in this menu, just simply look for Steam or SteamVR and then simply choose the drop-down menu and click on Let Windows Decide. Or you can directly click on Reset. It will automatically choose that same option. So it's totally up to you. If your VR is still connected, try to check if it is working or not. And if it's still not working, disconnect the VR from your computer once and then reconnect it and see if the issue is fixed or not. So that's it. You now know several effective methods to fix SteamVR Error 451. So I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.